In the left menu, you'll find a button management. This will give access to the media library. We suggest creating a logical folder structure using the Add Folder button. Folders can be created in a hierarchy, just like on your computer. Your company branding materials can be used throughout the system. Adding them directly gives an easy start. The media library provides you general options and actions in the top bar. During data collection projects, it is possible to collect images, photos, videos, and other files. All files that are collected while conducting research will be stored in the media library as well. In the left menu, you'll find a button Management. This will give access to the portal settings. First tabs will allow you to change general settings like the portal name. Your company branding guidelines and materials can be used to customize your portal to give it that personal touch. The colors will be reflected in the portal menu's headers and buttons. Every project that you'll start will copy these colors just to save you time. Add your logo and favicon, and the job is done. For now, our email address is used. Our system provides in dashboards and reporting a flexible approach on what a year is. Your organization might use a different book year. Here, you can set the options that dashboard editors can use in each dashboard. Reporting is all about progress. Reporting periods allows you to set the standards that dashboard editors are allowed to use when data is visualized. CYS pre-programmed loads of different calculations, KPIs, and formulas, so you don't have to worry about it. Maybe you don't know them, don't like them, or don't want to use them. Here, you can set the standards that dashboard editors are allowed to use. Every time a widget or graph is added in the dashboard, this list is made available.